Hello beautiful people, thank you very much for joining me. I've got 16th anniversary MelodySusie items. This is to celebrate their anniversary. They always bring something out for it. And this time I've been very lucky. They've sent me 2 parcels through. So this one, they always send me the compatible UK plugs. And this one is going to be in the next video. This is the MelodySusie SM320G nail drill. It's a limited edition and it's like a celebration set. But I'm not going to open that today. I'm going to show you what's underneath. I love this box. It's got all their... oh, that's a sneak peek. It's got all of their sort of UV friendly lamps on, drills on, big pro lamp. There's the square and the round extractor fans. I've got the round. Yeah, fabulous. Love it. Obviously famous for the drill bits as well. And the gel polishers. I've got some of them and I think that might be Fleur-Wee. Don't know. Might be wrong. Yeah. So I'm going to put that on one side and I'm going to do that in a separate video because I've got daughter and daughter-in-law coming to have some nails done tomorrow, so this is dead handy. I think it was a little bit like manifestation because I'd actually spent some time looking through on the internet for a new desk lamp because I've only got this, I've got like a big circular one. Can you see its reflection? And it drives me mad sometimes, that reflection. So I was looking for another lamp because I'm a bit dark from that side. And this one comes over on an arm and I knocked my camera like that, well, my phone. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on. Look what I've got. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. I couldn't believe it. I was looking one day and the next day I got the email from Wendy and I was so excited. So I said, yes, absolutely can't wait to see it. So 3 light combinations. I've had a look at it on the website as I always do. And you can have a basic daylight, well, daylight, warm, cool settings for your colour temperatures. Then you've got 3 light combinations. So you've got a spotlight here. If you just want to zone in on that little bit because the rest of your lighting's good. And you've got quite mild lighting and then like, I forget what they call it now, but like super duper light. Stepless dimming and an adjustable swing arm, and it's quite heavy actually, and a little 1-finger lamp, you know, for your lazy girls and stuff, but that's like a charging port. So stick with me, go and get a cup of tea, pop back and we'll have a look because by then I'll have got in it somehow this way. I'll have got in it this way. Go on then, I'll wait for you. Right, you're back. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's smashing. Ooh. Yes. Right, so ambient lighting and precision lighting. So that's where you press this for the mode here. I've got some installation to do with some screws. I best go fetch a screwdriver. 3 colour temperatures, warm, neutral and cool. Instruction manual, yeah, I best go off and read that because I'm a bee for not reading instruction manuals. It's beautifully packaged. We've got this, which if things come with their own power adapters, don't swap it out for the one you've been using. Always stick to the one that they send you. So I'm going to get this sorted out. I think it's going to be great, this. I don't think I'm going to have to move that much on my desk. Well, apart from the mess. I'll move the mess. I'll just give this a straighten. Not quite sure how long. Looks like it's about a metre. It's about a metre long. There we go. That's done that. There we go, that's ready. This is your light arm. And it's shaped because of the vision, like when I've got my docent, or if you've got clients sat opposite you, you can see into their eyes instead of... I did buy one of those kind of rounded things that come across, but I ended up giving it to my daughter-in-law for use on her own desk because I just couldn't see. I don't know how they've got that in there. Get that over that. That's it. And then under that. Oh. Right, shall I get it all out and I'll come back and show you? Look at that. That's nice. That's your spotlight. Ooh. Lovely. Yeah, I'll get it all out and pop back. Alright, so I've got it all out. This is very heavy, this. It's great. But I've got to fasten that onto there, but it is actually an Allen key, so I don't need to fetch a screwdriver. So that'll go in there, and then, oh, if I can pick it up again. Oh, trying to do this on film is going to be the difficult bit. So that's that. So... yeah, so I'm going to keep that in case I want to take it to bits again. Oh, don't lose them. So that's that. Next bit, I've got this installation steps I'm trying to read. So next bit is that. So you can either charge that with the little lead, or it's a magnetic charging port. Oh, I like it. Next, this bit goes onto this. Is there more screws involved? I don't know if they're just spare. I think, oh, there's one more screw. So, yes, there is. So that goes, bend down so I can show everybody. Come on, bend down. That goes up there. Out. That goes into that. That's it. Then I need to screw that under there. Right, let's let gravity help me. Go on, stand up, like. Oh, what a faff. It's not a faff once it's in, it's just me. I've not got it in straight. Let's try again. Do it like this. That's it. I think that was just a spare screw. Right. Oh gosh, it's quite heavy. It's lovely. Okay, so where do I plug it in? Is that it? Or is that it? Let's have a look. I think that's it. There we go. That's it. I'm going to get another extender. I've waited till evening, so it's about 8 o'clock at night. So I've just had a right good move around, but I'll show that in a different time. So I've set it up above my desk. I've got rid of my other one because I tried them out and I've decided I absolutely love this. Absolutely love it. I can't tell you what detail I can see that I couldn't see before. So just put you on my stand. There we go. Looking down as my normal position that I'm normally in. Right, let's turn this on. Look how bright that is. I'm not quite sure if that's too bright for you for filming, to be honest. But look how much I've just done this set of nails last night with it. And I could be so precise. This hand I've still got to do. Look how much detail I can see. I can see all my dry, crusty bits and lot. Yeah. When your eyesight's not so good, when you're getting a bit older, as bright a light as possible. But, yeah, it's better to have a lot of light anyway, ain't it, whatever age. So I'm just going to turn that spot off. So that's spot on its own. That's all of it. And that's turned the spot off, and I've just got this on. And then that's just the spot. So it's just in that bit there. Look. If you wanted to take a photo, that might be quite nice. You've just got your nails sort of highlighted. I don't know. I've not tried photography yet with it, but as far as doing my nails is concerned, it's absolutely amazing. So on the stand itself, you've got the controls that I showed you on the back. So you've got your different lighting temperatures. Then you've got your different modes for your lamp and your on off. And then this one here, this is the little one finger light, which is charge it with your normal sort of C-type and USB lead, or it's got a charging port there. So it's on there, and I don't know, let me zoom in. Can you see it flashing? Not sure if you can. I can see that light flashing because it's on charging. So put your finger on it and keep it on the top for a few seconds, and then that'll turn it on. Now it's flashing green at me, which means it's set to 30 seconds. So if I just put my finger underneath, that'll go, and when I take it out, it'll stop. Press that again, it turns to bluey purple, and that's the 60 seconds. So again, put your finger underneath, and that sets it going. So yeah, so I can turn that off, and then that's gone back to charging. Oops, did I turn it off? Yeah, just put it back on. There we go. So it's gone back onto charging. So that's that. So you can move that over to your desk if you want to use it over here. Yeah, don't have to be on that for use. So I like it. I like it a lot. I can't tell you how much I like the light from it. It's crazy how much detail. It's crazy how much detail I can see with this light. Old crusty hands. Oh, bless. Getting on a bit now. Anyway, I hope you like it. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I'll put some links in the description box. I have got a 10% code for MelodySusie if you want to use it. But please don't forget to subscribe if you want to come back and see any more reviews. The next one that I've got coming up is the beautiful Celebration nail lamp. So the next one I've got coming up is this fabulous SPro29G limited edition celebration lamp. Yeah, so this is the sort of full-blown 35 RPM. I think it's 35. I don't even know what colour it is yet, so yeah. Pop back, don't forget to click all, and I'll see you soon, everybody. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.